As a domestic manufacturer, we believe service will be the key to really win again end of the day.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Couch, and I'm here today in the Plastpro, Ohio plant in Ashtabula, Ohio. It was an exciting day. We got to tour the plant here, which is 275,000 square feet, and we also got to see their 1 million square foot plant that they are remodeling, changing, moving all their inventory to right down the road, half a mile down. They have a world-class pre-finish line here for paint and stain, and I was really impressed by their factory because it is super automated, very clean, and they are innovating and integrating lots of technology every day.
I'm the president of a company. We very lucky got a new facility only half miles away from here. It's 104 acres. The building close to 1 million square footage building. And we are building that, with a new warehouse and lots of expansion projects.
Very exciting. So 1 million square feet under roof, designed right now specifically for inventory management. To be able to have inventory on hand to satisfy the customer orders. So being able to have 100% certainty of what our inventory is really makes the overall flow and process of pulling, picking, packing orders and shipping them out to customers in a timely fashion.
Yeah, so right now, obviously we're still bringing in inventory, setting up safety quantities, as well as setting up manufacturing process that was already existing over at the Keister plant.
We won't be tied directly to a production schedule. Production would ultimately feed the safety stock of our inventory that would be pulled for customer orders. Right now, with that transition, we're already seeing those improvements.
So we believe the new facility will really, really help. So we can see, more space, and we have more doors laid on the steel rack clearly, and we can pull the door go through door shop, ship it, complete order with the time we committed.
Even how it started, and let's call it, 7-8 months ago, the transformation has been tremendous already. I think that this facility will play an integral part in Plaspro's growth in the future.